चल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। ये कुछ चंद पंक्तियां हैं जो श्री अमिताभ बच्चन जी द्वारा कथित हैं और हम सब ने कई बार सुनी है। सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पेन ऑफ यूटोपिया। यूजुअली ये लाइंस जो थी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी एज इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइंस, ये बताने के लिए कि आज का जो वीडियो है उसका पर्पस क्या है, बिकॉज इट्स रियली नोबल एंड आई फील माई सेल्फ ऑनर्ड एंड ग्लैड टू बी गिवन दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। क्योंकि ये वीडियो जो है इन कोलैबोरेशन बना है टू शो माई सपोर्ट फॉर आसमा फाउंडेशन, वो दे हैव बीन डूइंग सिंस ऑल दीज ईयर्स एंड स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेमिक, दैट इज हाईली commendable and should be appreciated by each one of us, because usually the lines depicting that yes, humans can do everything that they want and everything that they once make commitment for, but ये लोग एक example set करते हैं, एक quotation set up करते हैं for generations to lead, and I am feeling so pleasured enough to actually show my support up over here इस collaboration video के through, because basically what Asma Foundation has been doing all these years is commendable. We all know, whether it's laying foundation, providing support and strengthening the single income families are there, then there are widows, or what we call as very important basis for the development and growth of any society, that is child education. And recently they have come up with a program called Milk Bank Camping. So under this program they have actually taken the responsibility initiating to provide milk on daily basis for about a month to all those underprivileged childrens, so as to ensure that these bright children, they get all the sufficient nutritions and they remain healthy. And also that I, as one of the beginners in this world of YouTube, where we actually promote, collaborate, create awareness, and on a wide plethora of fields, I would like you all to make a note of the fact that how they have actually committed themselves to target 3,000 plus children. Now just imagine 3,000 plus children under this camping. So I would just like to congratulate the brand ambassador Vijay Aman and each and every other person who made their contribution to make this camping a grandiose success. I am in full support of this and I am feeling very proud as an Indian today. So Asma Foundation, you guys are doing a commendable job. Keep doing this. India is actually in need of this, and I am glad that people are there working on a wide fields, so that there is no issue whether it is children or old age groups or any other underprivileged groups. And milk bank camping is something that is actually the need of an hour. So keep doing, guys. All my support is there in any means. If I can be helpful, I would be glad and honored enough to be given the opportunity. Thank you.